Hey everybody, Jason here with Midwest Coyote Pursuit. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Lumi H35R. This is the 640 version monocular. It's got the rangefinder on it. I am very excited to take a look at this thing. Without further ado, let's get this plastic off here and get rolling. So I've watched a lot of review videos on this. Wanting to kind of switch over to something that runs similar batteries that I run. I run a lot of the 18650s for my guiding scopes, and looks like this one comes with three, so additional three more that I'll have. Again, as I mentioned, this is the 640 version, the H35R, and yeah, I'm very excited to see what this looks like. I picked this up from our partners over at 365 Thermal. Of course, on seems like with a lot of the Nocpix stuff, they have thank you for your purchase. A couple different boxes inside. We'll go ahead and start with box number one. So in this first box, we have, looks like our neck lanyard, one of the batteries, lens wipe, another battery, and then the carrying case lanyard. Second box, I'm going to guess that there's a charging station in this, which I don't ever use any of these charging stations because I have my X-Tar battery charging station, which if you're interested in looking into one of those, they are really nice. You can charge multiple, not only multiple different kinds of batteries, but multiple batteries at once. So second box is the charging station though. Then you got the user manual on the bottom, and of course the warranty card. This carrying case is very nice. Looks like it's a forward flipping one. Magnetic as well. First impression of this monocular, it is very, very compact. Used to run the Finder V2, and it was a little bit wider than this one. This is about your standard size rangefinder. It's about the size that it is. Four buttons across the top, power up, menu, and then your down button. Lens cap on it. Pretty sweet. Like I said, it's very, very lightweight, so very happy about that. You can see the rangefinder down here in the front. Battery pack goes in the back, which it's already got a battery in it with protection on it. So we'll go ahead and take this off and get some videos off of this monocular here, and we'll see how she looks. So just doing a review here in the backyard. Got a rabbit sitting here. The zoom in for it is the same button that you do for the rangefinder. It's just a long press to get the rangefinder up. You can do continuous. Very clear unit. You can also go through different options here on your menu, your Wi-Fi, image hue, which I haven't seen before. It just seems like it kind of gives like a little bit more of a tan fade. You turn the microphone on and off, which I really like. The finder that I had did not have that option. You can calibrate it, and looking at it, seems like you can look at your gallery after you're done if you took pictures or videos. Ballistic calculation. If you don't have a rangefinder on your rifle scope, you can set that up through here. And if you just tap the menu button, you can change between your settings, your color settings. I'm a big fan of white hot, so that's what I always run. And of course, your brightness. I usually like keep mine right in the middle. Contrast. Same thing with that, I usually just keep it in the middle. But yeah, just going through the color patterns here again. A lot of different options, as I mentioned before. White hot's kind of my go-to. Overall review on the Nocpix Lumi H35R. It is a 640, as I mentioned. Got the rangefinder in it. Very lightweight unit, very compact unit. Takes your normal 18650 batteries, as I mentioned earlier. The laser rangefinder reaches out to 875 yards, which is nice. Yeah, it's like I mentioned before, it's no bigger than a normal rangefinder, daytime rangefinder that you would buy for daytime hunting or if you're into golf. Um, yeah, overall, I really like this unit. Seems like it would be a very good unit for like a helmet mount. Um, Size comparison, I would say it's pretty close to the cabin series iRays. I used to run one of those, and then probably close to like a K3 size. Yeah, overall, very good unit. Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to us here on our YouTube, and then follow our podcast, Talking Yotes, and appreciate everybody for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. It helps us out, and see you on the next video.